Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Credit Saint, a well-known name in the credit repair industry. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by errors or negative items on your credit reports, you're not alone. And services like Credit Saint claim to help you take control of your credit health. Now the big question is, can Credit Saint really help you fix your credits? And is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's go over the platform, its main features, pricing, the pros and cons, and end with a balanced conclusion. If you've never heard of them, here's the deal. Credit Saint is a credit repair company that has been around since 2007. They're one of the more established names in this space and are credited with the Better Business Bureau, holding an impressive A+ rating. This kind of accreditation isn't easy to earn and maintain, so it tells us right off the bat that they're serious about their reputation and customer satisfaction. Now, Credit Saint focuses on helping individuals clean up their credit reports by disputing negative or inaccurate items with creditors and credit bureaus. The kinds of items they work on include collections, late payments, charge-offs, bankruptcies, foreclosures, and even judgments and liens. These are all issues that can drastically lower your credit score. But many people don't realize that some of these items may have errors or inaccuracies. That's where Credit Saint comes in, to fight on your behalf and remove these items if they are found to be invalid or unfair. Now let us talk about the main features of Credit Saint. The process starts when you sign up. First, they guide you through pulling up your credit reports from the three major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Don't worry, this doesn't affect your credit score. Once they've analyzed your reports, their team of credit professionals identifies the negative items they believe can be disputed or challenged. Then they get to work contacting the credit bureaus and creditors directly to solve these disputes. While this is going on, you're given access to their online portal where you can track the progress of your case and see what's being worked on. You're also provided with credit education and tips on how to maintain good credit habits moving forward. So it's not just about fixing past mistakes, it's about building a stronger financial future. How about the pricing? Let's talk about the pricing. They offered a tiered structure of packages, so whether you need just a little help or major repairs, there's an option for you. Let's break down their three-tiered plans. First, Credit Polish. This is their basic package. It is priced at $79.99 per month with a $99 first work fee. It's ideal for people who only need help with a few minor inaccuracies on the reports, and you get disputes sent to all three credit bureaus, and you also receive access to their credit score tracker. There's also a credit remodel plan. This is their mid-tier option at $109.99 per month with a $99 initial working fee. It's designed for those with more serious issues, think multiple negative items or errors on your reports. There's also the Clean Slate, which is the most popular. This is their most aggressive package for individuals who have a lot of negative items to tackle. At $139.99 per month and with a $195 first work fee, this package includes everything in the lower tiers, plus a more intensive and faster dispute process. If you're dealing with something like bankruptcies or foreclosures, this might be the option for you. Each package comes with Credit Saint's 90-day money-back guarantee. That's right, if you're not satisfied with their progress within 90 days, you can request a full refund. The guarantee is rare in the credit repair industry and speaks volumes about their confidence in delivering results. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Credit Saint. First, we talk about the pros. Credit Saint handles a wide range of negative items, so you're getting comprehensive service. They have great customer reviews and a proven track record of success. Their 90-day money-back guarantee is a huge plus. It's like a safety net for your investment. The online portal makes it easy to track your progress in real time. How about the cons? Their services are not available in South Carolina, which is a bummer if you live there. The initial fees, especially for the clean slate package, might feel steep if you're on a tight budget. But remember, quality services often come at a premium. Here's a big and important question we want to find answers to. Can Credit Saint really fix your credit? The short answer is yes, having considered all of this, but with a few caveats. Credit Saint is not a magical solution. It's a professional service that works within the legal framework of disputing errors and inaccuracies. If the negative items on your reports are legitimate, they can make them disappear. However, for errors or unfair items, their services can make a huge difference. What I appreciate is their transparency and commitment to educating clients. It's not just about cleaning up your credit, it's about teaching you how to keep it clean. But if you're dealing with severe financial issues or you need to rebuild your credit completely, you might want to combine their services with some credit counseling or financial management tools. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Sky Blue Credit Repair, Lexington Law, and the Credit Pros. And that's it for today's review of Credit Saint. I hope this review has given you a clearer understanding and whether it's the right fit for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.